Hello and welcome to Say It in Chichewa. In today's episode, we will talk and learn about the beautiful and magnificent Lake Malawi. We'll go through some facts about the lake as well as learning phrases and words all relevant and related to the lake and its pristine beaches. Lake Malawi, formerly known as Lake Nyanja, is what really puts Malawi on the map. Lake Malawi is the 9th biggest lake in the world and has the most fish species in the entire world. It's estimated to be over 1,000 different species in the lake, and many of them colorful cichlids. The lake is also very deep, with the average depth of 200 meters and the deepest point of 706 meters. For Malawians, the lake is very important and essential for survival. Malawians rely heavily on the fishing in the waters, but they also use the water for cooking, bathing, and drinking. Millions of people depend on the lake, which makes it so important to preserve and protect our beautiful lake. Lake Malawi also has very beautiful, clear blue waters, which makes it incredibly beautiful and hard to believe that it's just a lake and not the deep blue ocean. The beaches you'll find along the lake are endless, white, and absolutely stunning. At many places along the lake, you will also find forest-covered mountains meeting the waters as far as the eye can see. There are also some incredible and interesting islands you can visit on Lake Malawi, with the most famous one being Likoma Island. There are so many things to explore around and on the lake, and we will dive in some essential words you need to know when visiting Lake Malawi. Let's begin. Tiambepo. Lake. Nyanja. Nyanja. Water. Madzi. Madzi. Fish. Nsomba. Nsomba. Monitoring lizard. Ngazi. Ngazi. Beach. Gombe. Gombe. Boat. Boti. Boti. Canoe. Bwato. Bwato. Waves. Mafunde. Mafunde. Fishing. Usodzi. Usodzi. Stone. Mwala. Mwala. Rock. Thanthwe. Thanthwe. Sand. Mchenga. Mchenga. Bird. Mbalame. Mbalame. Island. Chilumba. Chilumba. Sun. Dzuwa. Dzuwa. Sunset. Kolowa Dzuwa. Kolowa Dzuwa. Bad weather or storm. Mphepo ya mkuntho. Mphepo ya mkuntho. Swim or bath. Kusambira. Kusambira. Drink. Kumwa. Kumwa. Washing. Kuchapa. Kuchapa. Crocodile. Ngona. Ngona. Hippo. Mvuu. Mvuu. Deep. Kuya. Kuya. Shallow. Osaya. Osaya. Mosquitoes. Udzudzu. Udzudzu. Fishing rod. Mbedza. Mbedza. Fisherman. Usodzi. Usodzi. Waterfront. Padoko. padoko, beach ball, mpira wapa Gombe, mpira wapa Gombe. Let's finish our video with a few example questions to help you interact with the locals. Is it safe to swim here? Kodi apa mpabwino kusambira? Kodi apa mpabwino kusambira? Is the water cold? Kodi madzi ndiozizira? Kodi madzi ndiozizira? Can you swim? Mumata kusambira? Mumata kusambira? Where is the beach? Gombe lilikuti. Gombe lilikuti. Where can I find fish? Nsomba ndingazipeze kuti. Nsomba ndingazipeze kuti. How much does the fish cost? Nsomba akugulitsa zingati. Nsomba akugulitsa zingati. Where is the canoe? Bwato lilikuti. Bwato lilikuti. Is there any hippos or crocodiles here? Kodi pano pali mvuu kapena ng'ona? Kodi pano pali mvuu kapena ng'ona? Is it deep or shallow here? Kodi apa mpakuya kapena mposaya? Kodi apa mpakuya kapena mposaya? Where does the sun set? Kodi dzuwa limalowera kuti? Kodi dzuwa limalowera kuti? Thank you for watching today's video. We hope that you have enjoyed and have learned something new. If you want to support us so that we can make more of these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Zikomo.